Hello everyone, welcome to Full Course Online. According to Microsoft, your processor should be at least 1 GHz or faster with 2 or more cores. And that processor should be on compatible 64 processor list. You can see a website of PC World and there is a list of CPUs that are officially able to run Windows 11. The first list is about Intel processors. You can see there is 8th generation, 9th generation, and so on. For AMD CPUs, which are compatible with Windows 11, the list is above 2000 series. In order to check your own PC, there are a few methods. The first one is click on Start button. Go to Settings. Click on System. And at the end on the left side, click on About. And you can see the information related to your own computer. So this computer has Intel Core i5 4th generation CPU with 3 GHz speed. The second method you can use to identify your processor is press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape. And the Task Manager will open. Click on Performance. And click on CPU. Here you can see again the processor is Intel Core i5, 3.2 GHz. While down at the right side you can see this PC has 4 cores in the processor. Thank you for watching.